if you've been treating your acne for over 6 months, you've been using the right products, following the right steps, doing everything right, yet your acne isn't going anywhere, rather it is increasing, here is something that might surprise you. It could be that your skin barrier needs immediate attention. Yes, that's right. A damaged skin barrier can be what is holding you back from getting your results. Be it acne, be it whatever, hyperpigmentation. If you are doing the right thing, you are following the right step, yet you are not getting results, it could be that your skin barrier has been compromised. So in today's video, we are going to be talking about what a skin barrier repair routine looks like and how you can use it for your own advantage to solve that problem that you think it is impossible to solve. People don't know this, but repairing your skin barrier should be the first step if you are targeting or if you're dealing with stubborn acne. Let's say you've been using your acne products judiciously, you've been using your acne products very well, you've been consistent with it, but you're not seeing results. Repairing your skin barrier should be your first step, and this is not just me saying it, this is dermatologically approved. Now let's talk about skin barrier. Imagine your skin outer layer, like the outer surface of your skin is like a shield, an armor that protects your skin from pollution, environmental stressors, bacteria, everything. Like this is what protects your skin. Let me use a house with a roof and a house without a roof for more understanding. Now if you are in a house without roof, you are vulnerable to a lot of things. You are vulnerable to being robbed, because yes, criminals can follow from the roof and rob you. You are vulnerable to rain. If rain falls, the rain is going to touch you. If the sun is hot, it is going to touch you. Like you are vulnerable to a lot of things. But if that house has a roof on it, you are protected from sunlight, from rain, from criminals, from a lot of things. So this is how your skin barrier works. If your skin barrier is healthy, if you have a healthy skin barrier, you are going to save yourself a lot of stress. If your skin barrier has been compromised or if it is damaged, you are giving room for a lot of things. Damaged skin barrier is a vulnerable skin. When your skin barrier is healthy, it will be able to retain moisture, and that is why a damaged skin barrier is always dry, is always flaky, is always irritated, because of its inability to retain moisture. If you're not sure if your skin barrier is damaged or not, like you don't know anything about the symptoms of a damaged skin barrier, here are some symptoms. So if you notice that you've been using a certain product and it has been good for you, especially if that product is an active, okay, let's say retinol, salicylic acid, if you've been using them for a while and you have been totally fine with them, but suddenly you start to feel itchiness, or you start to feel redness, or you start to notice that your skin is becoming very sensitive or dry, overly dry, you suddenly start experiencing burning or tingling sensation on your skin, all these are signs that your skin barrier has been compromised or damaged. So if this sounds familiar, if you've been struggling with this, I'm going to share with you a routine that would help you to repair your skin barrier. But before we dive into this, I want you to please hit the subscribe button if you haven't subscribed yet. Like and share this video to whoever you think needs it. Thank you. Skin barrier is going to be very simple, and we are going to be focusing on 3 important things, and they are gentleness, hydration, and moisture. You are going to be using gentle products that would hydrate your skin and would be able to lock in the moisture. Okay, so these are the things that we are going to be focusing on in order to repair your skin barrier. So the first step is to get a gentle cleanser. Now we are going to be looking for a gentle mild cleanser. We will be ditching any harsh cleanser or any drying cleanser or any exfoliating cleanser. You are going to look for a gentle mild cleanser. The aim here when looking for a cleanser is to look for a cleanser that will cleanse your skin properly but will not strip your skin of its natural oil. You need a hydrating cleanser or a cleanser that will cleanse your skin properly without stripping your skin of its natural oil or its natural moisture. The next one you'll be needing is a hydrating toner or a hydrating essence. You need to look out for a very hydrating toner or a hydrating essence with snail mucin, glycerin, aloe vera, hyaluronic acid. All these things are things you need to look out for. I'm going to leave like product recommendation on the screen. Now what a hydrating toner or a hydrating essence will do for you is that it will help to soothe your skin. So if you're dealing with redness, or your skin is feeling irritated, or your skin is feeling itchy, having this tingling sensation on your skin, a hydrating toner or a hydrating essence would help to calm your skin, would help to soothe your skin, thereby reducing the irritation, the tingling sensation, or the burning sensation that you're feeling on your skin. Next item you you'll be needing is a barrier repair serum. Ingredients you should look out for when getting a barrier repair serums are ingredients like niacinamide, panthenol, and ceramides. These ingredients are very good to help to repair your skin barrier. They are very soothing, they are calming, they are not irritating at all. I'm going to leave examples of these barrier repair serums on the screen. If you are getting a niacinamide serum in particular, get a niacinamide serum that doesn't contain any brightening ingredients like alpha-arbutin or tranexamic acid. Get a pure niacinamide serum. We are not focusing on brightening here, we are not focusing on exfoliating here, we are focusing on repairing your skin barrier. Next item you are going to be needing is a moisturizer. We're going to be focusing on moisturizers that contain ceramides and fatty acid. So you are going to look for a good moisturizer that would help to moisturize your skin but will not clog your pores. So you're not going to look for something that is too heavy or something that is too oily, especially if you have an oily skin. You are going to focus on moisturizers that suit your skin type. So if you have a dry skin, look for a thick moisturizer that is hydrating enough to replenish the lost moisture on your skin. And if you have an oily skin, you'll be looking for a moisturizer that is hydrating enough to moisturize your skin without making it feel too greasy or clogging your pores. Then the last thing you need, which is the most important, is using your sunscreen. The damaged skin barrier is extra vulnerable to sun exposure and UV rays. If you have a damaged skin barrier, the rate at which the sun is going to affect you is different from the rate at which sun would affect someone with a healthy skin barrier. It is going to hit you, and it's going to hit you very well. This will make your acne worse, it will make your hyperpigmentation worse, it will make your irritation worse, your the tingling sensation that you are experiencing or the burning sensation that you are experiencing, it will make it worse. So you need a sunscreen, and not just a sunscreen, a broad spectrum sunscreen that would protect your skin from UVA rays and UVB rays. So for sunscreen recommendation, I have a video I made concerning that. Check out that video. You're going to get different, I mentioned about 10 to 12 sunscreens that are actually good, and they are broad spectrum sunscreen for all skin types. So if you have an oily skin, there is a recommendation for you. If you have a dry skin, there is also a recommendation for you. Now if you follow all these steps, you do all these things correctly, from cleansing your face to using your hydrating toner or essence, and then you use your barrier repair serum, and then you lock in everything with a good moisturizer, and then during the day always make sure that you're using a sunscreen, a broad spectrum sunscreen. If you follow all these things, you use the right products, within 4 to 6 weeks you'll see a lot of improvement on your skin. So if your acne has been as a result of a damaged skin barrier, you notice that those acne are beginning to clear up, your face is beginning to get better. Just give your skin time, be patient with your routine, also be consistent. So if you found this video helpful, if you learned something new today, don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, like this video, share this video to your family and friends. If you know someone that has been dealing with acne for a long period of time and he or she has been doing the right thing, using the right products, this might just be the best video for that person. If you've also experienced something like this, share your thoughts in the comment section. Let us discuss. And until I see you in my next one, have a wonderful week. Bye.